alien workers to support the labor force?
Well, I've been in construction for 26 years, so that's a really interesting question for me. I do not believe that we need any illegal aliens, period. Everybody needs to be legal here. Our country is meant to be legal. Citizenship is meant, all immigration is meant to be legal. This country was founded on legal immigration. That's important. It's still important that we have immigration in this country. We have some programs in place right now where we have people that come over for higher education and then we send them back. We need to have some ways of maintaining some of these bright, brilliant minds that are here to study, but they need to be done legally. Anything illegal in this country needs to be handled right now. It needs to be handled appropriately and correctly. We have a really daunting task because there are so many illegal aliens here. We do not need them. We can't even keep our own citizens working right now. It's a problem. We don't have enough jobs. We don't have enough to fill all the people that we have here right now. So definitely we do not need to employ illegal citizens.